doesn't believe there is creativity in mathematics clearly has not tried to write proofs. Finding a way to convince the world that a particular statement is necessarily true is a mighty undertaking and can often be quite challenging. There's not a guaranteed path to success in the search for proofs. For example, in the summer of 1742, a German mathematician by the name of Christian Goldbach wondered whether every even integer greater than 2 could be written as the sum of 2 primes. Centuries later, we still don't have a proof of this. Apparent fact. Now, computers have checked that Goldbach's conjecture holds for all numbers less than 4 times 10 to the 18th power, which is just 4 and then 18 zeros, which leaves only infinitely more numbers to check. Hey everyone, real quick, I just want to mention that this video is a part of a whole course that I made. You can find a link to this entire course in the description below, and make sure to click on that subscribe button. Writing proofs is a bit of an art. Like any art, to be truly great at it, you need some sort of inspiration, as well as some foundational technique. Just as musicians can learn proper fingering and painters can learn the proper way to hold a brush, we can look at the proper way to construct arguments. A good place to start might be to study a classic. In the next video, we will prove that there are infinitely many primes. I'll see you then.